chapter, chapter number 14, factorization. It is very useful chapter, as I have told. It will be useful in 9th standard. Also, it will come in 10th standard also. One of the topic, that is factorizing by middle term splitting. The most important topic, factorizing by middle term splitting. That will be also available in 9th standard and 10th standard. So, this is the base of that. When it will come, I will tell you how to do the factorization by middle term splitting. There are many methods to factorize a particular expression that we are going to study. But first of all, starting with the factors of natural numbers. Okay, the first topic in your textbook is factors of natural numbers. Factors of natural numbers. We have studied this in standard 6th or 7th. What is the factor? How we do factors of any particular number? Can anyone? By tree method, or let us say 30 number. What are the factors of 30? Those numbers which divides 30 and gives no remainder, there is no remainder left, that numbers are known as 30. That means the table in which 30 comes will be its factor. Okay, so one will come in all the table. So 1 will be always there. Okay, number 1 will always there. 1 is the factor of 30, 1 30 is 30, 0 remainder, right? 2's table 30 will come? Yes. 2 into 15 will be 30. So 2 is the factor. 3 tens are 30. 4's table? 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. No. So 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 5s are 30. 7's table? 8's table? 9's table? 10? 10 3s are 30. Then 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, no. And direct 30. These all are the factors of 30 you can see. Now, after factors, you have studied about the prime factors in 7th standard. Prime factors, what are, first of all, what are prime numbers? Can anyone? Prime number. Those coming in its table only and in one's table, that are known as prime number. For example, 2 will come in its table only, no other table. Just in one's table, everyone will come. So we will not consider 1, but the number which comes in its table only, that number is known as prime number. Yes, 3 prime number. 3 is the prime number? Yes. 3 is the prime number. 4 is prime number. Why? It is composite number, right? Because in 2's table 4 will come and in 4's tables also 4 will come. So when a number is coming in others table also and its own table also, that number is known as composite number. Now, those factors which are only divided by the prime numbers are known as prime factors. So, what is the prime factor of 30? Can anyone say? 3. 2. 3. 5. Is 6 prime factor? No. 10, 15, 30. So 30, yes, 30 is not prime factor. 30 is not prime factor because 30 in other table also it comes, no? 2's table it is coming, 3's table it is coming, 5's table it is coming. So prime factors. The next topic is prime factor. So what is the prime factor of 30? 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 30. What is the prime factor of 12? 2, right? 3. Any other? 4. 4 is not a prime number, so it will be not prime factor. Understood? So 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Understood? Now, but we are dividing 12 with the prime factor. So what I will do? I will write 2, 2 and 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 will give me 12. So this will be prime factors. Okay, 2, 2 and 3. Understood? Now coming to factorization of algebraic expression. Next topic is factorization of algebraic expression. I am taking 15x y z. 15x y z. What are the factors of 15x y z? We are carrying out only the prime factors. Okay. So 15. Can I write 3? 3 into 5 into x into y into z. Sorry, I forgot it. This will be the prime factors of 15x y z. Understood? Now, in case of natural number, we say prime factors. Here we will say irreducible factors, which cannot be further reduced, is called irreducible factors. Understood? Now coming to the next topic, what is factorization? Factorization already told. Method of factorization. Methods of factorization. Different methods of factorization. And in that first method is method of common factors. Method of common factors. They have given you one example. They have told you 2x plus 4. How to carry out method? How to carry out common factors? How to factorize this? Method of factorization by common factor. This is the expression they have given us. We will factorize each one of them. First term we will see what is the factor of 2x, 2 into x, right? Plus 2, 4 we can write in prime factor. How we can write? 2 2s are, right? Now from these two terms we will see the common number from there. What is the common number from each? 2. We will take it outside. 2 will come outside. Now inside what will left? Out of these 2, this we have taken out. So now what left? X plus 1 we have taken out. So what left? This is the common factor. Example of common factor. How to carry out common factors of a given expression. Let me take another example. 5xy plus 10x. 5xy plus 10x. 5, it is already a prime number. So 5 into x into y plus 10 we can write as prime factor. 2 5s are, right? 2 into 5 into x. Now what is the common factor from this? 5 and x. You can see 5 here also, here also. X here also, here also. So what will be common? 5x will be common. Now out of these 3, these 2 we have taken out. So what left inside? y plus 2. This will be the answer. Easy. Next topic is factorization by regrouping. Factorization by regrouping. Not practice. Factorization method by regrouping. Now some expression will be given to you. Let me take the example from the textbook itself. 2xy plus 2y, 2xy plus 2y plus 3x plus 3. Now if you see 4 terms, anything common from them? 4 terms, okay, I am talking about the 4 terms. There must be common from each term. Is there any common from each term? No. Here you can see 3. Here you can see 3, but here you can't see 3. You can see here 3? No. No. Now in this case, what we will do? We will regroup them. I will take first 2 terms, take out common from them, and then other 2 terms, take out common from it. Understood? So 2xy plus 2y, what is common between them? 2 and y? 2y. So can I write? Okay, let me write 2y common. Now what will left inside from this? X plus 2y is outside. Now what? Remember, every now and then when you are taking a whole term outside, there will be one thing inside, that is 1. Because 2y into 1 will be 2y. Yes. So 2y if I am taking out, what will left inside? 2y. Understood? Plus 3 and 3 is common. So 3 common, x plus 1. Again, here 3 we have taken out. 3 1s was there here. 3 1s was 3, right? So 1 will left. So x plus that one. Understood? Now here we have got from 4 terms we got 2 terms, 1 and 2. Now from these 2 terms, what is the common? X plus 1. So taking x plus 1 common, what will left inside? 2y, because x plus 1 is outside. So it left 2y plus 3. This is the answer. Are you got it? Let me take another example of factorization by regrouping, and that is 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Now looking these terms, okay, again arranging by regrouping, factorization by regrouping only. I will take first 2 terms and see common between them. Now if you don't know how to do, what you will do? You will write 2 3 6 into x into y minus 2 into 2 into y. But try to understand directly. It will say one line, okay? Plus 6. If I take minus 9 before, is there any problem? No. And if I take plus 6 behind, is it okay? Yes. Okay. And that step, again I will write 3 into 3 into x plus 3 2s are. Okay. Now from these 2 terms, what is common? 2 y. So 2y will be common. What is left inside? 3x minus 2y. No, y we have taken. Sorry, y we have taken outside. So it will be only. Now from these 2 terms, 3, 3. Are you all getting? Yes. But whenever you are doing, take this sign. Whatever the sign is coming, you will take that sign outside. Okay. So 3 and 3 will come out. Now since I have taken minus common in this plus, there will be this plus. How it was formed? Minus. This plus was formed with minus into plus. Sorry, minus into minus. Minus into minus was plus. Right? In this plus, there is already minus into minus. Now one term, one minus I have already taken out from this also. That means inside it is left one minus. Understood? So what you will left with? 3x minus 2. Instead of plus, what you will write? Minus 2. Understood or not? Understood or not? Whenever, in short, whenever you are taking one minus and inside there is one plus, you will definitely put it minus. And keep in mind, these two brackets must be same. If it is not same, then your answer is wrong. So your answer is wrong. Right? Common 3x minus 2 into bracket 2y minus 3. Clear? Clear how to do factorization by regrouping?